stop right there. If you have ever felt confused by English phrasal verbs, if you have ever heard someone say, give up, or look into, and had absolutely no idea what they meant, then this video was made specifically for you. Stay right here, because by the end of this video, you are going to know 50 of the most important phrasal verbs in the English language. And trust me, once you learn these, your English is never going to be the same again. Welcome to Repeat English Lab 285, let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Repeat English Lab 285, the place where learning English is easy, exciting, and completely fun. Hey, guys! It is so wonderful to have you here today for another powerful English lesson. Now, today we are talking about something that every single English learner struggles with at some point, phrasal verbs. If you are learning English in the United States or anywhere around the world, you are going to hear phrasal verbs every single day. Native speakers use them constantly, in conversations, in movies, in songs, at work, and at school. So if you do not know them, you are going to feel lost very quickly. But do not worry, that is exactly why we are here at Repeat English Lab 285. Today, we are going to go through 50 of the most important phrasal verbs that will help you sound natural, confident, and fluent in English. We will give you the meaning of each one, and we will show you exactly how to use it in a real sentence. So grab a pen, grab a notebook, and let's dive right in. What is a phrasal verb? Before we start our list, let's quickly make sure we all understand what a phrasal verb actually is. A phrasal verb is when you take a verb, an action word, and combine it with a small word called a preposition or a particle. Words like up, out, in, on, off, and down. When you put them together, they create a completely new meaning. For example, the word give means to offer something. But give up means to stop trying. See how different that is? That is the magic and the challenge of phrasal verbs. Now let's learn all 50. Phrasal verbs 1 to 10, everyday life. Number 1, wake up. This means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. Number 2, get up. This means to rise from your bed. It is hard to get up early on cold days. Number 3, give up. This means to stop trying. Never give up on your dreams. Number 4, look up. This means to search for information. If you do not know a word, look it up in the dictionary. Number 5, turn on. This means to start a machine or device. Can you turn on the lights, please? Number 6, turn off. This means to stop a machine or device. Please turn off your phone before the meeting. Number 7, put on. This means to wear something. It is cold outside, put on your jacket. Number 8, take off. This has two meanings. First, to remove clothing. Take off your shoes at the door. Second, when a plane leaves the ground. The plane takes off at noon. Number 9, pick up. This means to lift something from a surface or to collect someone. Can you pick up the kids from school today? Number 10, put down. This means to place something on a surface. Put down your bags and relax for a moment. Phrasal verbs 11 to 20, communication. Number 11, bring up. This means to mention a topic in conversation. She brought up a really interesting point in the meeting. Number 12, call off. This means to cancel something. They called off the game because of the rain. Number 13, call back. This means to return a phone call. I missed his call, I need to call him back. Number 14, point out. This means to draw attention to something. Can you point out where the mistake is? Number 15, find out. This means to discover information. I want to find out more about this topic. Number 16, figure out. This means to understand or solve something. I finally figured out how to use this app. Number 17, talk over. This means to discuss something. Let's talk over the plan before we start. Number 18, speak up. This means to talk louder or to express your opinion. Do not be afraid to speak up in class. Number 19, listen up. This means to pay close attention. Listen up, everyone, this is very important. Number 20, bring out. This means to reveal or show something. This song really brings out my emotions. Phrasal verbs 21 to 30, work and study. Number 21, carry on. This means to continue doing something. Carry on with your work, do not stop. Number 22, catch up. This means to reach the same level as others. I missed a week of class, so I need to catch up. Number 23, get ahead. This means to make progress. Working hard every day helps you get ahead in life. Number 24, hand in. This means to submit work to someone. Please hand in your assignments by Friday. Number 25, go over. This means to review or check something. Let's go over the lesson one more time. Number 26, work out. This has two meanings. First, to exercise. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Second, to solve a problem. We need to work out a solution together. Number 27, set up. This means to arrange or organize something. Can you help me set up the projector? Number 28, take over. This means to gain control of something. English Lab 285 is here to take over your English learning journey. Number 29, move on. This means to go forward and leave something behind. The lesson is done, let's move on to the next topic. Number 30, keep up. This means to maintain the same pace or level. You are doing great, keep up the good work. Phrasal verbs 31 to 40, feelings and relationships. Number 31, get along. This means to have a good relationship with someone. I get along really well with my coworkers. Number 32, fall out. This means to have an argument and stop being friends. They fell out over a misunderstanding. Number 33, make up. This means to forgive each other after an argument. They fought yesterday, but they made up this morning. Number 34, cheer up. This means to become or make someone happier. When I am sad, music always cheers me up. Number 35, calm down. This means to become less angry or upset. Take a deep breath and calm down. Number 36, break down. This means to lose emotional control and cry. She broke down in tears when she heard the news. Number 37, open up. This means to share your feelings honestly. It is important to open up to the people you trust. Number 38, look up to. This means to admire and respect someone. I have always looked up to my teacher. Number 39, look down on. This means to think you are better than someone. Never look down on anyone, we are all learning. Number 40, stand by. This means to support someone in a difficult time. True friends always stand by you. Phrasal verbs 41 to 50, movement and action. Number 41, show up. This means to arrive somewhere. He always shows up late to meetings. Number 42, run into. This means to meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the supermarket today. Number 43, get away. This means to escape or go on a vacation. We need to get away for the weekend and relax. Number 44, come across. This means to find something by chance. I came across a really interesting article online. Number 45, break in. This means to enter a place illegally or to interrupt a conversation. Someone broke into the building last night. Number 46, run out of. This means to have no more of something left. Oh no, we ran out of coffee. Number 47, hold on. This means to wait, or to hold tightly. Hold on, I will be right back. Number 48, go on. This means to continue or to happen. What is going on? Everything is so noisy today. Number 49, come up with. This means to think of an idea or a plan. She came up with a brilliant solution to the problem. Number 50, end up. This means to finally be in a situation or place. If you practice English every day, you will end up speaking fluently. Closing. And there you have it, 50 powerful phrasal verbs that will completely transform your English. These are the exact phrases that native English speakers in the United States use every single day. So the more you practice them, the more natural and confident you are going to sound. Here at Repeat English Lab 285, we believe that learning English should never feel scary or boring. It should feel exciting, fun, and rewarding. So take these 50 phrasal verbs, write them down, practice them in sentences, and use them in your daily conversations. Now, we have a little challenge for you. Pick any 3 phrasal verbs from today's lesson and write a sentence with each one in the comments below. We read every single comment, and we would love to see your sentences. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Repeat English Lab 285, and share it with a friend who is learning English. It truly means the world to us. Keep practicing every single day, stay positive, believe in yourself, and we will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now, guys. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.